Good afternoon, students and everybody, and BA final year students. So now we will discuss about the political science subject, and both are subjects having the degree final years. So first one political thought, and second paper and international relationship. So and now discuss about the uh, political thought. So sixth semester. So now sixth semester syllabus and 5 units have in the and sixth semester. So 5 units have. So and now situation purpose of and corona. So సిక్స్త్ సెమిస్టర్ సిలబస్ మనం మొత్తానికి 3 యూనిట్స్ ఏమో చెప్పుకోవాలని డిసైడ్ అయిపోయిందాం. సో కరోనా పేపర్ 2 అవర్సే కాబట్టి సో మీకు ఈరోజు పొలిటికల్ థాట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి సిలబస్ చెప్తాను, మీరు నీట్గా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. సో నౌ అండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ అండ్ పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్. Political science. So sixth semester, and so subject and political thought. Political thought. So subject political thought. So having the 5 units having the and sixth semesters and political thought. So first unit 1, first unit. So first unit. So name of the first of all and western and Indian political thought. So western and Indian political thought. So name of the and subject and western and Indian political thought. దీనినే పాశ్చాత్య భారత రాజనీతి తత్వం. వెస్టర్న్ మీన్స్ పాశ్చాత్య విదేశం. వెస్టర్న్ అండ్ ఇండియన్ పొలిటికల్ థాట్. పాశ్చాత్య భారత రాజనీతి తత్వం. తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్. సో నౌ అండ్ so how many units? And 5 units. How many units? 5 units are in the and the sixth semester. So unit 1, first unit. So first unit. So idealist. First one, idealist. So first unit, idealist. So in the and subtopics have in the idealist. First one, A. So first one, A. So GHW, GWF, Hegel, dialects. And theory of state. Theory of state. So next to B. First unit B. TH Green. Rights and political obligation. political obligation. So first unit idealist. So first one A and G.W. George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. So I clarify that and next class. So Hegel and dialects and theory of state and B and TH beat rights and political application. So unit 2. Unit 2. So Marxist philosophy 1. Marxist 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 philosophy Marxist philosophy 1. Marxist philosophy 1. So A. Karl Marx dialects Karl Marx dialects and historical materialism and historical historical and materialism. Karl Marx dialects and historical materialism. So second unit. And third unit, unit 3. And unit 3. Unit 3. So Marxist philosophy 2. Marxist philosophy 2. Second unit and philosophy 1 and third unit and Marxist philosophy 2. A and A. Meitner Dong. So Meitner Dong and name of the person name and political thinker name. The Meitner Dong. Meitner Dong is a and philosophy political thinker Meitner Dong on contradiction of democratic revolution. Contradiction continuation new democratic revolution. New democratic revolution. Democratic revolution. So third one and B. So another political thinker Antonio Gramsci. Antonio Gramsci. Antonio Gramsci. So another political thinker. So Meitner Dong and Antonio Gramsci. The name of the political. Hegemony and civil society. And hegemony and civil society. Paura Samajam and civil society. So that is it. And syllabus and political thought syllabus. So totally and 5 units have in the and sixth semester and last semester also 5 units have in the and be a final year all semesters and have in the 5 units. So next fourth unit 4 ఫార్మాలిటీస్ కోసం మనకు 5 యూనిట్స్ రాసుకున్నాము, నేర్చుకునేది మాత్రం 3 యూనిట్స్. ఓకే, సో నా టుడే అండ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ 2 యూనిట్స్ అండ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఇండియన్ పొలిటికల్ థాట్. ఇండియన్ పొలిటికల్ థాట్. ఇండియన్ పొలిటికల్ థాట్. ఇండియన్ పొలిటికల్ థాట్. సో ఏ and subtopic Indian political thought Buddha. Indian political thought and Buddha. Ye Buddha. Buddhudu. Buddha social and political ideas. Social political ideas. Social political ideas and Dhamma Sangha. Dhamma means dharma. Dhamma and Sangha. Sangha Bhavana. బుద్ధుని యొక్క రాజకీయ ఆలోచనలు, సోషల్ పొలిటికల్ ఐడియాస్, సాంఘిక రాజకీయ ఆలోచనలు, బుద్ధుని యొక్క ధమ్మ మీన్స్ ధర్మ అండ్ సంఘ మీన్స్ సంఘ యొక్క భావన వివరించండి. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇన్ ది యూనిట్. సో రైట్ అబౌట్ ది and Buddha social political ideas and first question. So next question and write about the Buddha Dhamma, the concept of Dhamma. So write about the Buddha Sangha. Buddha Sangha. Write about the Buddha and Sangha. Sangha భావన గురించి వివరించండి. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో వస్తుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ B. So Basava. So another political thinker, Basava. Basava name and Buddha name and political thinkers. So first one and Buddha and second one and Basava social ideas. Sangika Bhava social ideas. Buddha and social ideas. Next very important topic having the and fourth unit and Jyotirao Phule. So Jyotirao Phule. Critic of Brahmanism. Critic Brahmanism. Brahmanism and social revelation and social revelation. Revelation means సాంఘిక పోరాటం. Social revelation. Okay, fourth unit and Indian political thought. Very important of మనకున్నటువంటి 5 units no and any 3 topics and next semester prepare కావాల్సి ఉంటుంది. So your personal opinions are send the our group. Okay, so and very important topic first unit and third or fourth units. So important topic and general topic and very interesting topics have in the and first unit and and fourth, fifth units. Very important fourth unit. And Indian political thoughts. Indian political thought and Buddha and social political ideas and Dhamma and Sangha. So next to Basava and social ideas. Basava and social ideas and Jyotirao Phule and constituent Brahmanism and social evaluation. So last, so very clear. And last and final unit. And unit 5, fifth unit. So A, fifth unit A. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohan Das Karamchand. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Ahimsa Satyagraha. Very interesting topic. Ahimsa. And Satyagraha. Ahimsa and Satyagraha. So sorry, I am right here. Satyagraha. Ahimsa and Satyagraha. Very important topic having the unit. So next and subtopic having the and fifth unit and Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru of the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. And Indian first Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru. That is concept of and democratic socialism. Democratic socialism. Democratic socialism. Prajaswamya Samyavada. And secularism. Laukikavada. Secularism. Very important topic having the unit. Jawaharlal Nehru or said that and democratic socialism. Prajaswamya Samyavada. Prajaswamya Samyavada. And next concept secularism. Secularism. So part C. Part C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. means Babur Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar. That is concept of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the concept of the caste annihilation, the theory of caste. Theory of caste. The continuation we raskondi. Theory of caste. Theory of caste. And next concept annihilation. Nirmulana. Annihilation of caste system. Annihilation of caste. Caste and state socialism. State and socialism. So totally and 60 semester and 5 units generally forward is of the in this semester and 5 units. So that is a syllabus of the and 5th semester. So మనకి ఈ కరోనా పర్పస్ వల్ల మనకు 2 hours పేపర్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మనమంతా 3 యూనిట్స్ చెప్పుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో వరుసగా 3 యూనిట్స్ లేకపోతే ఎనీ 3 యూనిట్స్ అనేది డిస్కస్ in our group and be a final year group. Okay? So individual opinions are there or send through the and WhatsApp. Okay? So now and sixth semester syllabus in the unit. Okay, so next so political thought syllabus and war.